Tired of the headaches of traditional retail? Let's ditch the inventory and dive into the world of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding any inventory yourself. When a customer buys something from your store, you simply forward the order to a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. First, find a profitable niche, research trending products, and identify a specific market you want to target. Think pet lovers, home organizers, or fitness fanatics. Next, source your products from reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers with good reviews, fast shipping times, and a wide selection of products. Websites like AliExpress or Sale who can help you find them. Now, set up your online store using a platform like Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. Customize your store's design, add your products, and set your pricing. Time to market your business. Use social media, paid advertising, email marketing, and even influencer collaborations to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. When a customer places an order, you forward the order details to your supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to the customer under your brand, and boom, you pocket the profit. Dropshipping has pros and cons. Low startup costs and flexibility are great, but you'll have lower profit margins and rely heavily on suppliers. Don't forget excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues efficiently, and build trust with your customers. Dropshipping requires dedication and effort, but with the right strategy, you can build a successful online business and enjoy the freedom it offers. Now you are ready to take your first steps toward building your own e-commerce venture.